Look, you're drowning in specs, price tags, and endless forums, wondering which cinema camera actually delivers that cinematic look without breaking the bank. The truth is, this video cuts through the noise, compares the top models, and tells you exactly which one fits your workflow, so you can decide right now. Product number 1. Sony Cinema Line FX3 Super 35 Camera. Stop scrolling right now, because if you have been waiting for the ultimate filmmaking tool to level up your content, your search officially ends today. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the incredible Sony Cinema Line FX3 Super 35 camera in stunning gray. And trust me, this little beast is an absolute game changer. Honestly, the moment you pick it up, you can just feel the professional pedigree. Packed with a massive 20.1 megapixel Exmor APS-C image sensor that is specifically optimized and effective for movies, it delivers breathtaking cinematic footage that will completely blow your audience away. Wow, the detail in every single frame is just unreal. Look, whether you are shooting indie films, YouTube vlogs, or commercial work, the ergonomic design and dedicated cinema features make capturing smooth, high-end video effortless. You do not want to miss out on upgrading your creative setup with this powerhouse. So go ahead and click the link in the description right now to check out the best active discounts available today. Product number 2. Canon EOS R50V Mirrorless Camera. If you just watched my review of the Sony FX3, you know I were playing in a very serious, high-end cinematic sandbox. But let us be real for a second, because sometimes you just want something lightweight, fun, and ready to roll without breaking your back. Look, that is exactly why I had to switch gears and test out the brand new Canon EOS R50V mirrorless camera. Wow, this little body is an absolute game changer for anyone stepping up their vlogging, streaming, and TikTok game. Honestly, the 4K video quality is crisp, vibrant, and genuinely stunning straight out of the box. Trust me, the flip screen makes framing your shots an absolute breeze. No more guessing if you are in focus. Plus, because it is an interchangeable lens camera, you can swap glass to match your exact creative vibe, whether you are filming podcasts or shooting street content. It is nimble, incredibly user-friendly, and punches way above its weight class. You are definitely going to want to check out the link down in the description right now for the best active discounts today. Product number 3. Nikon RED Z Cinema. After I just wrapped up the Canon EOS R50V mirrorless camera, I'm excited to dive into something on a whole other level. The Nikon RED Z Cinema, also known as the ZR Cinema camera. Honestly, this 6K full-frame powerhouse combines 32-bit float audio with RED's famous color science, giving you cinematic quality straight out of the box. The 4-inch DCI-P3 monitor is bright, color-accurate, and perfect for on-set framing without extra gear. Trust me, the full-frame sensor delivers that shallow depth of field look you've only imagined, and 6K resolution lets you crop and reframe while staying razor-sharp. The body feels solid yet surprisingly light for a cinema rig, and the modular design lets you add matte boxes, follow focus, or whatever you need. Plus, the built-in 32-bit float audio captures sound with a dynamic range that matches the visual fidelity, so you're not compromising on any front. Look, if you're ready to step up from the R50 and shoot professional-grade footage with RED's DNA, the Nikon RED Z Cinema is the bridge you've been waiting for. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. Amazon renewed Sony Cinema Line FX3 Super 35 camera. Now, speaking of cinema rigs that completely changed the game, if you just checked out that massive RED setup, you might be wondering, is there something a bit more nimble without losing that high-end cinematic magic? Look, I've got you covered. Honestly, wow, you need to see this. The Amazon renewed Sony Cinema Line FX3 Super 35 camera in stunning gray. Trust me, Stepping into professional filmmaking has never felt this accessible or this smart. Because it is Amazon renewed, you get all that legendary Sony engineering, dual base ISOs, and incredible 4K footage, all while keeping your wallet seriously happy. The Super 35 sensor delivers gorgeous depth, and the gray body just screams sleek, professional reliability on set. It feels balanced, shoots like a dream, and honestly, performs like it brand new out of the box. Whether you are running and gunning, or building out a full cage rig, this little powerhouse handles it all without breaking a sweat. You really have to experience the autofocus for yourself to believe it. So, if you are ready to upgrade your storytelling game right now, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. Sony Alpha FX3. If you just watched my review of the Sony FX30, and you are wondering whether you should take that massive leap up to full frame, well, honestly, you are in the exact right place today. Let us talk about the absolute beast that is the Sony Alpha FX3, officially the Xiaomi FX3A full-frame cinema line camera in sleek black. Wow! Stepping up from Super 35 to this full-frame powerhouse completely changes your cinematic footage. Trust me, the low-light performance alone will blow your mind, pulling clean, gorgeous details out of shadows you did not even know were there. Look, you still get that incredible integrated cage design with all those mounting points, meaning no extra rigging required just to attach your top handle or monitor. The autofocus is freakishly sneaky. It just locks onto your subject and refuses to let go, giving you total peace of mind on fast-paced shoots. If you are ready to elevate your filmmaking game, you need to check out the link in the description right now for the absolute best active discounts available today. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing. And I will see you in the very next video.